Hello ladies, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to Kanchipuram VRK Silks live show. Kanchipuram VRK Silks is a 2-decade-old trusted brand with variety of designs and different collections. Kanchipuram VRK Silks has 36 plus branches across South India. It's known for its finest and purest quality of silk throughout the fashion industry. So let's get started and see today's collection of sarees. Today's collection of sarees are luxury budget sarees. So let's start with my saree that I'm wearing. This is a beautiful gold with pink colored saree. It has zari by zari saree with all over body small jal weaving with silver zari design on its body. This is a really elegant saree. If you can see, it has a very detailed weaving on its body. It has a beautiful pink color cutty dual big designer border. Also, it has a beautiful grand rich pallu. This really has a very rich and a party wear look. This gorgeous saree has a grand rich pallu like you see. It also has a pink color tissue zari lines designer blouse. So the item code of this gorgeous saree, the elegant saree that I'm wearing is LV1316. The weaver's price of this saree is 50,000 rupees. So if you love this beautiful saree and you want to buy it, all you have to do is take a screenshot of this gorgeous saree along with the item code and send it to us on our WhatsApp number 9696699666. Next gorgeous saree. This is a beautiful luxury budget saree with gold green and pink color. It has geometrical jal weaving with lotus flower kardana work on its body. This has a very rich and a party wear look. It is modern and traditional at the same time. Look at the weaving and the detailing of the thread here. It has a beautiful red color kaddi animal designer border. It has a beautiful grand rich pallu. And of course it has a red colored tissue leafy designer blouse with border. A leafy designer tissue booty blouse with border. This is a really awesome saree with a beautiful blouse combination. This is a highly recommended saree and the item code of this gorgeous saree is LV1320. The weaver's price of this saree is 2,25,500 rupees. Next lovely saree. This is another gorgeous luxury budget saree of pink and purple with orange color. A zari by zari saree all over jal weaving with leafy flower booty on its body. It has a dual shade and it also has a very elegant and a rich look. This is a very rare color combination if you can see. A quirky color yet a very elegant combination this is. It has a peach color big designer border. A grand rich pallu. And it has a peach colored tissue zari mango designer blouse. A beautiful contrast blouse. The item code of this lovely saree, a quirky designer saree is LV1333. I repeat, it's LV1333. The weaver's price of this saree is 25,000 rupees. Next lovely saree. This is a beautiful silver with mustard color saree. This gorgeous saree has all over plain tissue with silver zari. This has a very rich look. It is a multicolor saree with yellow and a silver grey color. This is a very rare combination. It has a very elegant look. Look at the mustard color animal designer border. It also has a grand rich pallu. And it has a mustard color plain blouse with border like you see. This has a very flaunting blouse and a flaunting border along with the grey color. This is a very highly recommended saree. The item code of this gorgeous saree is LV1310. The weaver's price of this gorgeous saree is 50,000 rupees. is a gorgeous golden rust sari with red color if you see. This Zari by Zari all over diamond cut flower booties designer with Meena color body. This has a very beautiful body if you see. All over diamond cut work flower booties with Meena design. It has a red color kaddi with big circles designer border. The border is too big and it looks rich. The item code of this sari is LV1323. It has a grand rich pallu. It has a dual design here. And it has a red color tissue designer blouse with border. The item code again of this lovely sari is LV1323. The weaver's price of this lovely sari is 80,000 rupees. This is a highly recommended sari. Next gorgeous sari. Wow. This is a beautiful pastel peach colored sari with lavender color. This is a very beautiful combination of two pastel colors called peach and lavender. This looks a perfect party evening sari with all over geometrical cut work design with flower designer booties on its body. It has a very cool and elegant look. It has a beautiful pastel lavender color traditional border. It has a gorgeous grand rich pallu. And it has a pastel lavender color plain tissue blouse with border. It looks like a cool evening party wear sari and it looks very elegant and modern at the same time. The item code of this gorgeous lavender and peach colored pastel sari is LV1318. And the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 99,500 rupees. Next lovely sari. Wow. This is a beautiful wheatish colored sari with pink color border. You can already see the beauty of this sari here. It has a very big border. It has zari by zari all over antique silver zari long chain zal design on its body. It has a beautiful continuous weaving throughout the body and a big pink color kaddi designer border it has. And it has a beautiful grand rich pallu. It also has a pink color tissue blouse with border. The item code of this sari is LV1307. The weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 40,000 rupees. This is a beautiful sari. Next lovely sari. Wow, this is a beautiful luxury budget sari with green and pink color. This has got a very beautiful combination with all over small jar weaving with lotus flower booties on its body with outlines. It has a beautiful pink color design, a big border. All these luxury budget saris have a beautiful big border with lovely zal weavings on its body. It has a grand rich pallu. It has a dual pallu, a grand rich pallu and a pink color tissue zari dotted blouse with border. A beautiful pink color tissue zari dot designer blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous green colored sari with pink is LV1328 and the weaver's price of this lovely sari is 40,000 rupees. Next lovely sari. Wow, this whole collection of saris are really beautiful. This is a pastel grey with colored sari. It has all over zari by zari leafy zal weaving with designer flower booties on its body. Even this has a beautiful evening party silver zari look. It has a small designer border. The body has designer flower booty jal weaving, and it has a small designer border, and it has a grand rich pallu. Also, it has a pastel grey color tissue zari dots designer blouse. It has a dual shade of gold and grey color. The item code of this beautiful party wear blue colored sari, a grey colored sari is LV1322. And the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 70,000 rupees. Next lovely sari. This is another beautiful green with orange colored sari. This has zari by zari sari with cut flower weavy design with jal weaving and flowers on its body. If you can see, there are cut work leafy jal weavings here with flower design on its body. And it has a beautiful small kaddi traditional border. This gorgeous sari has a beautiful grand rich pallu. The pallu looks really elegant here. And the item code of this sari is LV1324. It also has a blouse of rust color, which is plain tissue blouse with border. The item code again is LV1324. And the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 70,000 rupees. Let's skip to next beautiful sari. Wow. This has a flaunting colored sari with rust gold and red color. It has zari by zari all over silver zari dot with diamond cut work design on its body. You see, it has a beautiful diamond cut design. This looks very modern and fresh. It has a beautiful red color kaddi with flower designer border here. And it also has a grand rich pallu. Also, it has a red color tissue zari dot designer blouse. And the item code of this gorgeous sari is LV1326, and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari happens to be 70,000 rupees. Next gorgeous sari. Wow, this is another beautiful red colored sari with rust orange color. It has zari by zari all over leafy designer flower booties with outline on its body. If you see, it has flower booties with outline on its body. It has a beautiful red color kaddi with mango rudraksha designer gorgeous border. This is a very flaunting and a flashy color. It has a grand rich lovely pallu. And it has a red color tissue zari lines designer blouse with border. The item code of this beautiful rusty orange and red color gorgeous flaunting sari is LV1325, and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 60,000 rupees. Next lovely sari. This is yet another gorgeous lavender with red colored sari. It has all over micro leafy jal weaving with big flower booties on its body. It has big flower booties with micro jal weaving. It has a beautiful red color kaddi with rudraksha designer border. It has a grand rich pallu and a red color tissue plain blouse with border. The sari looks like a perfect party wear sari, and the item code of this gorgeous lavender colored sari with red is LV1315, and the weaver's price of this lovely sari is 50,000 rupees. Let's skip to next gorgeous sari. Wow, this is a beautiful pink with snuff colored sari. This gorgeous sari has got zari by zari sari with zal weaving with flower and birds design with silver zari on its body. This beautiful sari, you can see it has zal weaving with flower and birds design with silver zari throughout its body, and it has a snuff color kaddi with dual peacock designer border with golden zari. A big designer border with golden zari, and a grand rich pallu with gold and silver zari. This is a dual combination with gold and silver both. The item code of this gorgeous sari that you're seeing is LV1317, and also it has a tissue snuff color blouse with silver zari lines. This is a designer beautiful blouse like you see. The item code is LV1317 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 40,000 rupees. Next lovely sari. Wow, this is a beautiful green with snuff colored gorgeous sari which has zari by zari all over silk zari lines with flower motifs with outline on its body. This beautiful flower motifs with outline on its body, and it has a snuff kaddi with mango designer border, a beautiful grand rich pallu, and it has a snuff color plain tissue blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous green color sari with snuff color that you're seeing is LV1332 and the weaver's price of this sari is 25,000 rupees. Next lovely sari. This is a beautiful purple colored sari with pink color. This sari has zari by zari all over body with thin zal weaving with flower booties on its body. You can see the detailing of the thread here. It has a thin zal weaving with flower booties all over its body. Also it has a pink color kaddi with flower designer border. A big flower designer big border. It has a grand rich pallu and a pink colored checks designer blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous blue purple with pink colored sari that you're seeing is LV1311 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 40,000 rupees. Next lovely sari. Wow, this is a beautiful luxury budget sari with pastel pink and pink color. This is a very beautiful combination and a cool evening combination. It has all over zari by zari flower and leaf design with multi-meena work on its body, all over its body. If you see the detailing, it has pink color small kaddi with flower designer border and it has a grand rich pallu. Also it has a pink color booty blouse with border. The item code of this lovely combination sari is LV1331 and the weaver's price of this sari is 29,950 rupees. Next lovely sari. This is a beautiful peach with dark green colored sari. It has all over silver zari dots with leafy designer booty on its body. It has a beautiful zari dots with leafy designer booty on its body. It has a gorgeous green color kaddi with peacock and animal designer border. A grand, rich, lovely pallu. It has a perfect festive look. And it has a green color plain blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous sari is LV1336 and the weaver's price of this sari is 29,950 rupees. I repeat, it's 29,950 rupees. Next gorgeous sari. Wow, this is a gorgeous sea blue colored sari with pink color, which is all over zari by zari, all over kadiyal zal weaving with flower design on its body. A lovely pink color designer border, if you see. A lovely designer border and a grand rich pallu it has. Also it has a pink color zari checks blouse with border. It has a very rich and a matte feel. The item code of this lovely blue colored sari is LV1312 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 40,000 rupees. I repeat, the viewers price of this gorgeous sari is 40,000 rupees. Next gorgeous sari. Wow, this is a beautiful multicolored sari with pink color. It has zari by zari all over multicolored rankat design with flower booties on its body. This is a very beautiful and a new design. A gorgeous rankat design with flower booties on its body. It has a pink color diamond cut, small checks with temple designer and peacock border. Pink color diamond cut, small checks with temple and peacock border. Of course, it has a beautiful grand rich pallu and a pink color tissue zari booties designer blouse with border. The item code of this lovely sari is LV1327 and the viewer's price of this gorgeous sari is 29,950 rupees. Next lovely sari. This is a beautiful red with lavender colored gorgeous sari with all over leafy zal weaving with star booties on its body. Beautiful zal weaving it has with star booties on its body, you can see. It has a lovely combination of lavender color designer border. This has a perfect party look. It has a beautiful grand rich pallu and a lavender colored tissue zari dot designer blouse. The item code of this lovely sari is LV1321 and the viewer's price of this gorgeous sari is 75,000 rupees. I repeat, the item code is LV1321 and the viewer's price is 75,000 rupees. Next beautiful sari. Wow. This is a beautiful pastel green colored sari. This looks like a perfect cool party evening sari with all over square zal weaving with flower booties with antique zari on its body. This is a really highly recommendable sari and it looks really modern, western and also traditional at the same time. It has a beautiful self-cuddy designer border like you see. It has a grand rich lovely pallu and a self jacquard designer blouse. The item code of this beautiful pastel green colored sari that you're seeing is LV1329 and the weaver's price of this beautiful sari is 34,950 rupees. The item code is LV1329 and the weaver's price is 34,950 rupees. Next beautiful sari. This is a beautiful luxury budget sari with pastel green and pink color. This sari has zari by zari all over, zal weaving with flower booties on its body. It has a beautiful zal weaving with star flower booties. It has a beautiful pink color cuddy with peacock design, a big border and a grand rich pallu. Also it has a pink color tissue zari designer blouse. Beautiful pink color tissue zari designer blouse. The item code of this beautiful sari is LV1313 and the weaver's price is 40,000 rupees. I repeat, the item code is LV1313 and the weaver's price is 40,000 rupees. Next sari. This is a beautiful peach with peacock blue colored sari. It has all over sari with zari dots and cut work with zal flower booties on its body. Beautiful cut work with zal flower booties. If you look at the detailing, it has cuddy with designer peacock border. It has a beautiful grand rich pallu, golden color and a peacock blue color zari booties blouse with border, which also has a golden thread weaving. The item code of this lovely sari is LV1334 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari is 40,000 rupees. I repeat, the weaver's price of this sari is 40,000 rupees. Next sari. This is a beautiful wheatish with purple colored sari. This gorgeous sari has zari by zari all over jal weaving with flower booties with gold and antique zari on its body. This gorgeous sari has zari by zari all over jal weaving with flower booties with gold and antique zari on its body. If you look at the detailing here, it has a purple color design, a big border, and it has a grand rich pallu. Also, it has a purple color tissue plain blouse with border. The item code of the sari that you're seeing right now is LV1308 and the weaver's price is 40,000 rupees. I repeat, the weaver's price is 40,000 rupees. Let's skip to next beautiful sari. Wow, this is a beautiful purple with pink colored sari. It has all over zari by zari lines with big flower booties with outline on its body. A beautiful big flower booties with outline. A pink color small designer border. And a grand rich pallu. Also, it has a pink color tissue plain blouse with border. This looks like a perfect party wear sari. The item code of this gorgeous sari is LV1330 and the weaver's price of this beautiful purple with pink color luxury budget sari is 25,000 rupees. I repeat, the weaver's price of this beautiful luxury budget sari is 25,000 rupees. Next gorgeous sari. Wow. This is a beautiful lemon green colored sari with red color. This gorgeous sari has all over tissue designer leafy work with flower outline Meena work on its body. Beautiful lemon green color all over tissue designer leafy work with outline Meena work. Look at the detailing here. A red color big designer border. A grand rich pallu. And a beautiful red color blouse with golden zari. A big golden zari. The item code of this lemon green color beautiful antique sari is LV1337 and the weaver's price of this sari is 25,000 rupees. Next gorgeous sari. This is yet again a beautiful gold with pink colored sari which has zari by zari all over body design, a small flower booties with silver zari on its body. It has a very small flower designer booties with silver zari. So through touch I can feel the detailing of each of these booties. It has a beautiful pink color kaddi with peacock design, a big border like you see. A gorgeous grand rich pallu it has. And a pink color tissue blouse with border. The item code of this gorgeous sari that you're seeing is LV1309 and the weaver's price of this beautiful sari is 50,000 rupees. I repeat, the weaver's price is 50,000 rupees. Next lovely luxury budget sari. This is a beautiful green with pink colored sari which has zari by zari sari with small self zari with multi design, a big flower design on its body. Of green and pink color it has flowers. It has a beautiful pink color small designer border like you see. It has a very elegant look. It has a beautiful grand rich pallu. And it has a lovely pink color tissue zari dotted designer blouse. The item code of this gorgeous sari is LV1335 and the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari that you're seeing right now is 25,000 rupees. I repeat, the weaver's price of this gorgeous sari that you're seeing now is 25,000 rupees. Next lovely sari in the collection of luxury budget saris. Wow, this is a similar sari but of a very different and lovely color combination. It has gold and green color with lavender. It has all over Kadiyal Zal weaving with tree and flower design meenakari work on its body. This has a really elegant and a fresh look. This looks very quirky and modern. It has a sea blue color geometrical designer border, a big sea blue color geometrical designer border, a grand rich pallu. This looks like a perfect party wear sari and this is a highly recommended sari. It also has a green color tissue zari dotted designer blouse with border of sea blue color border. The item code of this gorgeous sari is LV1319 and the weaver's price of this sari is 2,25,000 rupees. I repeat, it's 2,25,000 rupees. So we at VRK Silks have a video calling facility where you don't have to step out of your houses to go shopping. All you have to do is a video call and the staff will assist you to do the shopping. So in case you like any of these luxury budget saris from the life, all you have to do is take a screenshot of the sari that you love and you want to buy along with the item code that I have mentioned and send it to us on our WhatsApp number 9696699666. So that's all for today's live. Let's meet in another live with more collections. Bye bye.